Hi everyone, here is a brief video showing how to complete a course or disable a course for a student for a couple different reasons. This can be a helpful tool in Edgenuity, so I want to show a little bit about how to do this. So when we are on our home screen, we're going to go to Courses and then Manage Enrollments. This is going to be the first place that we go to when we want to see kind of everything here. So I want to talk about the difference between completing a course and disabling a course really briefly, which are our two words up here. If we have a student who is not meant to be in a course at all, either they move or they were put into the wrong course, that's when we probably want to disable a course. But otherwise, as long as that student is going to still somewhere be on our rosters or still somewhere kind of be one of our concerns, we want to just make sure we mark a course as complete. So for example, I have our demo student here. If you would scroll down, you'll see that this is every kid in every course for your entire building. So I'm going to use a demo student because they're at the top, but I just want to show you firstly how to filter to make sure you get only the kiddos that you want to see. So the best way to filter, I would say to do is to firstly filter by you as the teacher. From there, probably to filter by maybe your classes then. If you start typing in the name of your class, which is like the period section, you'll be able to kind of narrow it down that way. You're also able to narrow it down by subject. So I would say use some of those filters. This is a good time to do so. After we have our kiddos that we want to wrap up a course, let's say it's the end of the marking period and we have a second marking period course we want to put them in, and we want to get rid of the first marking period course. We are going to find that course for that student and we're going to click the box by their name. So it looks like we're going to get rid of the chemistry course and the AP biology course for this kiddo, just for the two sciences, just for argument's sake. We're going to mark those as complete. Again, we're not going to disable them because we have those students in our class still. So we just wanted to mark them as complete so that they kind of go away from our current scope and focus. Now, students can see the courses they complete. If they go into their Edgenuity accounts, they can see that. But we just want to be able to say that they don't have to be actively working on those courses at this point, and it will lock them out of those courses as well. If we then go into the completed section or the action history section, we should see that those two courses have been completed for our kiddo. So yep, it looks like they're no longer in some of our science courses, which is what we wanted. So that's going to be an indicator that we have moved that student from being an active participant in that class to being a completed student for at least that class, so that we know the content is not something they are working on actively at this point. Okay, so if there's anything else that I can do, please let me know. But that is how we have a course marked as complete for a student, so they are no longer working on our content.